Hello, welcome to Soul Cooking's channel. On the whim today, arrive at Prince Edward, Aaron Street. I wanted to patronize Fat Boy Chezai Noodles. What? Disappeared? Ask nearby citizens. Maybe it just moved. I would like to ask if Feigong Chezai Noodles has been moved. Turn left ahead. Thank you. Shocked me. Just moved. I will be disappointed if it closes. I love its noodle. It turns out to be here. Opposite the Metro Park Hotel. It's 15:26 now and there are people queuing up. I have deliberately come here after lunchtime. Get in line. See if there is any difference in price. The price has increased a little. Minimum purchase $35. Thick noodles with leeks. The decoration is similar to that of an old store. Pork intestines and chicken wingtips. Also pig lungs. Chicken wingtips. And fish balls. Need more onions. Thank you. 1 noodle, 1 leeks, 4 cans of food, total $59. The price is not cheap, but the portion is sufficient. Seats changed. Most of them are single-row seats. There is only one long table. I chose a corner to eat. Plenty of food. Love the chili oil here. Not too spicy, rich flavor. Must taste. I have a strange preference. I like chili oil and sweet sauce when eating noodles. Are there any viewers like me? Braised chicken wingtips are a must-eat item. The fragrance is rich and the portion is very sufficient. Another must-try dish is braised pork lungs. Strong brine aroma, texture not too soft, maintain proper chewing sensation. Pork intestine is also a must-eat for me. I prefer eating thick noodles because it won't soften too quickly. Will not affect the taste. The seat has become narrower and feels a bit tight. But the food standard has not changed. Still maintain a high standard. Still that feeling of satisfaction. There is always someone waiting for a turn, which is awesome. That ends today as introduction. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and click the notification button. Never miss video updates. Thank you all.